What's up, everybody? Welcome. Happy Monday. Hope you guys are all having an amazing start to your week. I got this in the mail. Honestly, I got it in the mail probably about a week and a half ago, but I haven't been able to open it. I wanted to go ahead and take this time and open it with you guys. So here we have a box from Amazon. There it is, the DJI Mavic Air 2. So I decided to sell my old Mavic Air and upgrade to the Mavic Air 2. I know a couple of people that already have this drone and they absolutely love it. I've got to fly it just a couple of times, and even though I love the Mavic Air, I just thought it was time for a nice little upgrade. The DJI Mavic Air 2. Ooh. Very nice. Let's see what's inside. Guess not. Wow. So it comes in this. What a sleek case. Oh man. This is everything you need. I also wanted to just let you guys know I did get the Fly More combo. The Fly More combo consists of the case, 3 batteries in total, charger, 3 ND filters that you can see here, the remote, the actual drone itself of course, and the propellers. We'll see if there's any other accessories that we might have gotten in this DJI Mavic Air 2 combo. Oh, so here we have some extra propellers for the drone, and then of course we have the manual for us as well in case we wanted to go ahead and take a look at it. The quick start kit. Now we can move on to the good stuff. So case, I mean it feels amazing. It's sleek. It almost seems kind of water repellent. You can see that it has like these cool little design here. Honestly, they did a fantastic job with it. So we're gonna go ahead and unzip it. Here we have ND filters like I mentioned. We have the ND16, the ND64, and the ND256. So this is awesome. Usually ND filters you have to buy separately. It's nice that DJI actually went ahead and included it in the DJI Fly More combo. This is gonna be the dock to charge your battery. So you can line them all 3 on, and it's gonna charge them 1 by 1. So you don't have to remove them, you don't have to put the batteries in and then wait for one to finish and then put the other one on. So this is gonna be a really neat thing for you. It's gonna save your life. It's gonna save you a lot of time as well. Then we have the remote. And I don't know if you guys can see, but the inside of the bag is really nice just because it has a little slit divider here, so you can kind of put your remote there. You're gonna put your charging stuff in here, and it has a very thin pocket over on this side for you as well. The remote is definitely bigger than all the others. For example, the DJI Mavic Air, the DJI Mavic Mini, DJI Spark. It looks pretty hefty, it looks pretty big, but it feels absolutely amazing. It feels good, it looks good. And also what's a little different is usually with the previous controllers, the previous drone controllers, you were able to put your phone on the bottom. So you were controlling it here while your phone was kind of right down here. This is not gonna be the case. This actually has where you can mount your phone right up top. So it's gonna look a little bit like this. Right, so instead of it being on the bottom, it's actually now gonna be up on top, which is really, really nice. I feel like that has more of a game console type of feel to it, something that we're actually more used to, which is very, very nice. Oh, also what's great, and I actually just realized this, is that the cable is pretty much all wrapped in there. So when I put my phone there, the cable's already there. I don't even have to disconnect it or do anything, and it just kind of plops right back in there, and everything slides right in. It's very compact, very nice. And then you have, of course, for the joysticks, you have a nice little place for you to store them right here. Everything's super sleek. It fits into the bag beautifully. I really like the coloring and the design. So now we're gonna go ahead and go on to the DJI Mavic Air. So you see that there's a couple of a yellow tab and a blue tab. So one of them says B and one of them says A. I believe that these have different propellers for each side, so you have to be very careful when you're putting the propellers on. All right, so I just went ahead and put 2 of the propellers on the A sides. Now we have the B's that we have to put on. So, and it's twist and lock. That right there is pretty much what you have to get into the drone and then just kind of twist it a lot. I think it gave us about 4 more propellers as well, which is very nice. It looks amazing. It's definitely bigger than the DJI Mavic Air. It kind of feels like the Mavic Pro in a sense, which is very cool. So here it is, a DJI Mavic Air 2. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you. I hope you guys all have a great week. If you have any more questions, if you have any comments, if you have the DJI Mavic Air 2, comment it down below. Comment what's your best drone. What is your favorite? What is your go-to? If you have multiple, what drone is it that you take everywhere that you go, especially when you're traveling or when you're even going out to just shoot a couple of drone videos with your friends or even for a client if you have your own business. I'm really interested to know what you guys think. If you guys have the Mavic Air 2, let me know in the comments. What do you think about it? Is this drone really worth the money, the $1,000? What do you think? Let me know. DJI is going in the right direction. Thanks again, guys. Hope you guys all have a great rest of your week, and we'll see you back next time.